What is BlackRock Android malware? BlackRock isn't exactly a new malware. In fact, it based on the lac source code of X-Rays malware, itself derivated from malware called LokiBot. The only big difference between BlackRock and other Android banking trojans is that it can only target more apps than previous malwares. How does BlackRock Android malware works? BlackRock works like a most Android malware. Once it's installed on a phone, it monitors the targeted app. When the users enter the login and credit card details, the malware sends information to a server. BlackRock uses phone accessibility features and then uses an Android DPC provide access to other permission. When the malware is the first launches on device, it hides its icon from the app drawer, making it invisible to the end user. It then asks for accessibility service to privileges. If privilege is generated, BlackRock grants itself additional permission to required fully function without having to interact any further with the victim. At this point, the bot is ready to receive command from the command and control server and execute overlay attack. But BlackRock isn't limited to online banking app and targets general purpose of app across various categories of books and reference, business, communication, dating, entertainment, lifestyle, music and audio, news and magazine, tools and video players and editors. The researcher note that BlackRock steals credentials such as a username and password from 226 apps, including PayPal, Amazon, eBay, Gmail, Google Pay, Uber, Yahoo Email and Netflix. In addition, the malware steals credit card numbers from the 111 apps. Threat Fabric says the malware can be used, send and steal SMS messages, hide notification, key logging, AV detection and much more.